Hey guys, Mr. T here. It's been a while. We've got a sneaker unboxing review. Got a bit of a purchase today. So what we got here, shout out to USG Patrick. We dropped 610 on the shattered backboards and full size one for the family, I guess. So I think these are the small ones. These don't come in a special box. It's just an ordinary Jordan box for the kids. What was this one? 4C for the baby girl, 6 months old. Let's have a look. It comes with a red sticker for some. Oh no, it's an Air Jordan Wings logo sticker. Stick that on the MacBook or something. And there you go, shattered backboard. Baby version, laced up, not Velcro. The leather's actually pretty good on this for a children's one. Okay, there's the normal cardboard Jordan leather, but here, this is kind of soft. So put that back. Hard to do this one-handed. So shout out to Patrick at USG, he's always got me down. Sorts me out real easy. Although it helps to spend a lot in one go all the time as well. So here's for the boy, 3.5 years old, around about there. Slightly bigger. Feel the same quality leather, it's nice and soft there. Sketchy cardboard leather over there. What extras? The only extras you get is the orange laces. I might be able to do something with that later. He wants to see what these look like very soon, so I'll shut those back. Get to the real deal now. Put these down the ground. Let's do it back. I don't know what this is. That's mine. I'll leave that till last. So the problem that you will face if you get the family into sneakers is that you're going to have to buy them for everyone. But we ain't no broke boys here, so that's the life. Deal with it. What do we have? So this is, what size is this? USA 6 Youth. So I think sometimes they're referred to as grade school. Yeah, you can see GS grade school. So that's what my partner wears. I'm hoping that fits her properly. Let's see what the leather quality is like here. That's a bit supple. It's got some give to it. Usually it's this leather that's shockingly bad. Yeah, there's the traditional cardboard leather. This is nice and tumbled and soft. This is not bad too. It's just this part, the heel counter is garbage. But whatever, we're used to that with Jordans. So let's talk about the actual one. My pair. So you have the non-traditional Nike box. Why are these called the shattered backboard? Because Michael Jordan, I think he played an exhibition game in Italy, and they were wearing sort of black and orange jerseys, even though he was wearing his normal Chicago red, white, and black sneakers in the game. The color theme of these Jordans is based on the jerseys they were wearing in this exhibition game. And why is it shattered backboard? Because he dunked it and he shattered the backboard. So they're really going all out with the storytelling, even though the story's kind of garbage. Why don't they just call it the black and orange Jordans? No one cares about this story. All we care about is these things. So, size 10, 2025, Shattered Backboard Jordan 1s. These are not the 85 shape. You can see there's a slope to the back. It slopes forward there. So it's sort of the current Air Jordan shape. More boxy toe box. And leather quality. Whoa, okay. This leather is really bad on the men's size ones. You can see there's no give on this whatsoever. It's just textured, but it doesn't bend in like natural sort of soft leather would. This is nice. That's got some give to it, nice texture. This is going to be garbage here. That's slightly better. But yeah, the toe box of this is really bad compared to the other sizes that I just pulled out. Let's see if this is the same on the right shoe, because they're not necessarily made as a pair. Yeah, that's pretty garbage. So what I'm talking about here is this leather. You've got the stamped texture there. This has got a coating of plastic on it, and there's no give whatsoever. It just, if it was like nice leather, it would ripple like skin would. Unfortunately, I'm wearing the red toes too, so I can't show you. But on those, but I can show you there was a recent pair, these Jordan 4s. They have nice leather. You can see here the texture, and when I move my finger, it bounces back. It's got some give to it. It feels natural. It's got some give to it, whereas this, no give whatsoever. And the texture is just, it's really flat. There's no, this looks natural. That's disappointing, but I already knew that. I've seen the reviews. In the lead up to the release on July 12th, that the quality was not as good as the original Shattered Backboards. I think they came out in 2015 or 2016, something like that. The other complaint was the orange is not the same as before. This is sort of darker orange than what came out previously, but because I didn't have the previous ones, I've got nothing compared to. I just wanted an orange pair. Okay, I just wanted an orange pair that didn't look like that, because that's a bit hard to style. Okay, so this one, I can see a lot of combos that I can do with this already. It's supposed to come with a spare set of orange laces, which I was freaking out about because the smaller size had a box, but the box was in the shoe. Okay, you can see the Shattered Backboard theme goes on into the insole. You've got a basketball ring and the shattered glass everywhere. So, unboxing and review, what can I say? It's just your ordinary Jordan 1 Hi. It's not OG because this is an OG colorway. You've got the garbage leather around the toe. On top of the toe box, you've got some nice leather here in the sail part, although this isn't as soft as the Jordan 4s that I showed before. And yeah, that's garbage leather too, but everyone's come to expect that from Jordan. So, what could we say? Not a quality release, but orange, because people wanted it. Be good for styling there. Got the Nike logo on the front there. The nylon tongue. It's got a good shape overall. I'm going to have to do the spray treatment on there to waterproof it. I like the force field branded stuff because it lasts a long time. The other side, check out the other shoe in the pair. I don't see any glue stains or stitching issues. The construction is fine, it's just the leather quality is not great, but that's Jordan's for you these days. Only certain releases have the good stuff on. So hopefully you like this video. It's been a long time. See you in the next one.